So next up we have match the column type question. Match the entries of column 1 with those of column 2. Column 1 A part says that last digit of 8 factorial plus 3 raised to power 973 is less than or equal to. Students, for every factorial after 5 factorial, the last digit is 0. So last digit of 8 factorial is 0. Let's talk about 3 raised to the power 973. 3 raised to the power 1 is 3, so last digit is 3. 3 power 2, 9, last digit is 9. 3 power 3, 27, last digit is 7. 3 power 4, 81, last digit is 1. After this, the cycle will repeat. So 3 raised to the power 973, the last digit will be same as 3 raised to the power 1, because 972 is a multiple of 4. So that means the last digit is 3. So the answer of this question is 3. It is less than or equal to. So equal to 3, less than 4, less than 5, less than 17, less than 19. So A matches with all the 5 options in column 2. P, Q, R, S, T. All are correct. Okay. This is the final answer. Let us move on to B part. B part says that if 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 so on till 1 plus x raised to power 128 is equal to summation r from 0 to n x raised to power r, then n is divisible by. So students, to tackle this type of series, we use the multiplication and division by 1 minus x. There will be a plus b into a minus b. That will be a square minus b square. And that will keep on repeating till x raised to power 128. So I have multiplied by 1 minus x. I have divided by 1 minus x. First two terms will give you 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square will give you 1 minus x power 4. Further it will be 1 minus x power 8 and so on. The last two terms will be 1 minus x power 128 into 1 plus x power 128 upon 1 minus x. That means 1 minus x power 256 upon 1 minus x, and that is equal to x power 256 minus 1 upon x minus 1. Cancelling the factor, I have 1 plus x square up to so on till x power 255. That is the sum of GP. Okay. So obviously this is equal to sigma r from 0 to 255 x raised to power r. So n comes out to be equal to 255. Definitely it is divisible by 3, not by 4. 5, yes, it is divisible, and it is also divisible by 17. So B matches with PRS. Let us move on to C part. C part says that 20C5 minus 20C6 plus 20C7 minus 20C8 so on till 20C19 minus 20C20 is divisible by. So considering 1 plus x raised to power 20, I have C0 plus C1x plus C2x square up to C20 x power 20. Putting x equals minus 1, I'll get 0 equal to C0 minus C1 plus C2 minus C3 plus C4 minus C5 plus C6 minus C7 so on till C18 minus C19 plus C20. I have 16 terms in the given expression. Total 21 terms are there. So I'll take the 16 terms to the left hand side and calculate the remaining 5 terms. So C5 minus C6 plus C7 minus C8 so on till C19 minus C20. Taking all these terms from here till here to the left hand side, I'll get this to be equal to C0 minus C1 plus C2 minus C3 plus C4. So 20 C0 will be 1, 20 C1 will be 20, 20 C2 will be 190, 20 C3 will be 20 into 19 into 18 by 6, 20 C4 will be 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 by 24. No doubt, a calculative problem. The answer will come out to be equal to 3876. It is further equal to 2 square into 3 power 1 into 17 into 19. So it is divisible by 3, 4, 17 and 19. So C matches with P, Q, S, T. Fine. This is the final answer. Let us move on to D part. Question number 56, D part says that if the ratio of the constant term and the coefficient of x power 15 in the expansion of x square plus 2 by x whole raised to power 15 is 2 power k, then k is greater than or equal to. Constant term will be obtained. So first of all, let us write the general term. TR plus 1 will be 15 CR x square raised to power 15 minus r, so x raised to power 30 minus 2r into 2 raised to power r upon x raised to power r. So the power of x is 30 minus 3r. So first I need the constant term, so power should be 0. Then I need the coefficient of x power 15. So 30 minus 3r should be equal to 15. From here you get r equals 10. From here you get r equals 5. From here the coefficient is 15c10 into 2 power 10. From here the coefficient is 15c5 into 2 power 5. So students, what is the ratio of the coefficients? Over here it is x power 0, over here it is x power 15. What is the ratio of coefficients? So the required ratio is 15c10 into 2 power 10 upon 15c5 into 2 power 5. 15c10 and 15c5 are equal to each other by the property NCR equals NC n minus r. So we have the answer as 2 power 10 upon 2 power 5. So simply it is 2 power 5. So k is greater than equal to 5, 4 and 3. So D matches with P, Q, R. Final answer for this one. Let us move on to 57. Question number 57. Again we have to match the entries of column 1 with those of column 2. If T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 are the first 5 terms of an AP, then 4 into T1 minus T2 minus T4 plus 6 into T3 plus T5 upon T1 is greater than. So whenever we need to assume 5 terms, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, we'll assume them as A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. So let us substitute over here. 4 into T1 minus T2. So T1 minus T2 will be minus D minus T4. So minus A minus 2D, 6A, then A plus 2D, whole divided by T1, A minus 2D. So minus 4A plus 7A will be 3A, minus 8D plus 2D will be minus 6D upon A minus 2D. Simply the answer is equal to 3. They are saying it is greater than equal to, so P and Q are the correct matches for A part. Okay, this is the final answer. Let us move on to B part. B part, the double summation of sigma k from 1 to infinity, sigma n from 1 to infinity, k upon 2 raised to power n plus k is less than equal to. The inside sigma is on n, so k can be taken outside. So this can be written as sigma k from 1 to infinity, k upon 2 power k, sigma n from 1 to infinity, 1 upon 2 power n. So this is inside the brackets. Okay. Now students, sigma n from 1 to infinity, 1 upon 2 power n is an infinite GP with first term half, common ratio half. So answer is 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. So it is simply sigma k from 1 to infinity, k upon 2 power k, and that will be equal to 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 square plus 3 upon 2 cube plus 4 upon 2 power 4 and so on till up to infinity. Let it be equal to s. So we'll write s by 2 now. That will be 1 by 2 square plus 2 by 2 cube plus 3 by 2 power 4 and so on up to infinity. Subtract both of them, you'll get s by 2 equals the same thing. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. Again the common ratio is half, first term is half, answer is 1. So s by 2 equals 1, so s equals 2. That means the answer is 2. It is less than or equal to. All 5 are correct. P, Q, R, S, T. So B matches with all the 5 options. P, Q, R, S and T. So this is the final answer. Let us move on to C part now. C part says that if Tn denotes the nth term of an HP from the beginning such that T2 upon T6 is equal to 9, then T5 upon T12 is less than equal to. Students, we know that the reciprocals of the terms of an HP are in an arithmetic progression. So T2 can be written as 1 upon A plus D and T6 can be written as 1 upon A plus 5D. So this is equal to 9. So A plus 5D is equal to 9A plus 9D. From here you will get 4D is equal to minus 8A and D as minus 2A. A and D are the first term and the common difference of the corresponding AP. Now I need T5 upon T12. T5 upon T12. T5 will be 1 upon A plus 4D and T12 will be 1 upon A plus 11D. So D is minus 2A. This is 1 upon minus 7A upon 1 upon minus 21A. So that will be equal to 3. 3 is less than equal to, so QRST correct matches for option number C. Let us move on to D part. D part says that the value of 2 upon 1 cube plus 6 upon 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 12 upon 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 20 upon 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube, so on till finite terms is always less than. So students, here is the idea of solving this question. You just calculate the sum to infinite terms, and the sum of finite terms is going to be always less than S infinity. Okay, so S is simply n into n plus 1 upon sigma n cube whole sigma. So this is the general term, n into n plus 1 upon sigma n cube. So that will be equal to 4 upon n into n plus 1. So S will be equal to 4 common sigma n plus 1 minus n upon n into n plus 1. So 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. For S infinity, I will have the answer equal to 4 because this term is equal to 1. 1 minus half plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 and so on till infinity. So this is a very famously known telescopic series. The answer comes out to be 1. S infinity is 4. So sum to finite terms is a quantity which is strictly less than 4. So that means R, S, T are the correct options for D part. Okay, R, S, T. Let us move on to next section, which contains integer type problems.